We invite you now to lean back and close your eyes. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a warm golden light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in. And now, dear ones, imagine for all your angels and guides and your galactic family of light to be with you, sending you their love. Now, dear ones, bring your awareness to the top of your head, crown of your crown chakra. And we wish for you to imagine a golden column of light coming from above. And now, dear ones, imagine that you are traveling upwards on this golden column of light. And as you are traveling upwards on this column of light, you are being joined by all the beings of light from the higher realms, your galactic families of light, the Ascended Masters, the cosmic beings of light, the angels. They're all joining in on your journey upwards. And as you are moving upwards, you are meeting with your higher self. Your higher self that is here to assist you on your journey, on your earthly experience. It is a version of yourself that is filled with light and love. And as you are meeting with your higher self, we invite you to merge with your higher self simply by breathing in and perhaps placing your hand on your heart center. Allow for the energies of your higher self to expand into your being. Now imagine that you are traveling up higher, higher, and together with everyone that you have met on this travel, you are about to meet with your I Am Presence, the individualized aspect of God, Source, Creator. And you can imagine this in any which way you wish. Perhaps a more concentrated golden light. It could also represent a fatherly image or a motherly image. And as you begin to feel the energies of divine love even more, you can choose to merge with your I Am presence simply by placing your hand on your heart center and taking a deep breath. Feel, simply feel and allow. Allow for your I Am presence to fill your entire being, every cell of your body, every atom and electron, your entire auric field. Breathe it in. You are becoming lighter and brighter, filled with divine love. Now say the command, integrate, integrate, integrate. Feel this warm feeling in your heart. This deep peace and harmony. And now, dear ones, you're traveling even higher and higher, until you meet with the great central sun, the heart of God. You can imagine this as a golden round portal that you would walk through, and you are entering that sun that is not warm, it is very pleasant in temperature. But you walk right through this portal to the deep, great silence. And your being dissolves now, is letting go of the human form, and it returns back to the essence of you with deep inner peace. Just being. Breathe it in. Place your hand on your heart center and breathe it in. And now say the command, integrate, integrate, integrate. And now, dear ones, as you are completely filled with this energy, it is time to travel back on this golden beam of light. And so slowly, you are now traveling down on this golden ray or golden beam or column. And you are entering through your crown chakra into your body. And as you are filled with this divine love, we invite you now to project through your heart and through your third eye this overflowing energy of divine love and project it to the vision of your life. Project it towards that and fill it with these energies of divine love. And feel the power and the flow of this energy, this rush of this energy. And when you feel complete, dear ones, we invite you to come on back and open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Move your head. Welcome back, dear ones.